Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve no sound issue on your TELEFUNKEN TV. So first of all, check your remote control. On your remote control you surely can find this button which will mute or unmute your TV. Make sure that after you press this button you see this kind of indicator on your screen, which indicates that your speaker is currently working. Also adjust the volume using volume levelers. Increase the volume level so you can hear sounds. And also let's check the sound output, the currently selected sound output for the TV. To do that we have to go to the dashboard, navigate down to settings, open sound settings in here. And after that, in sound settings, first of all, what we want to do is check the sound output. Make sure that your sound output is set to your TV or your active output. Let's check the TV, and if it's set to the TV, your sound should be working properly. But if it's not, then you most probably have some enhancements and some sound effects in the same menu. Try toggling them off. So first of all, we have Dolby audio on this TV, so we can turn it off, and this will allow us to set all the rest of the settings automatically. So we can also toggle the surround sound settings. We can go to equalizer and manually choose one of the available presets, or use the user preset and adjust the decibel level for each frequency of the sound. But basically, if the sound output is set to TV, just choose the appropriate source where you can hear sounds and try checking the sound on your TV. And if you still can hear no sound, try cold restarting your TV, basically by unplugging the power cord from the power outlet, waiting for about a minute, and after that you have to replug the power cable into your TV and check the sound once again. And after you play media from your TV once again, you should be able to hear the sound coming out of it. But if you still have issues, then you definitely should reach out to TELEFUNKEN customer support service and notify them about this issue. And that will be all for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.